Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do sheet cake design and we're gonna decorate the top of the cake only. So the picture will go on top and the sides will be just plain white. So I'm gonna decorate, I'm gonna ice the sides of the cake first so it's not on the way, and then we'll take care of the top. Alright, so that looks about right. Now let's put some icing in a container, and we're gonna do space background. So I'm gonna use CK Color Royal Blue, squeeze a few drops, and let's color it blue. Now because we're gonna do space, so it's doesn't need to be all nice. In fact, I'd like to keep it streaky. So I'm just gonna incorporate the color into icing so it's not like a color swirls, but as you can see my icing is still pretty streaky, and that's what I'm actually going for. In fact, I'm gonna add more. See, you can see the streaks, see, and I'm gonna make it even more. So that's kind of what I need. All right, and now we're gonna add more icing, and I'm gonna add black to it, but not too much. It's more like a dark gray, and as you can see I didn't wash it from the blue color, so it's all the same bowl. And again, I'm gonna keep it kind of streaky, and because I'm gonna do the edges this time, and just to keep it clean and easy, I'm gonna put that icing inside the pastry bag. See, it's pretty streaky. There's still some white spots and blue spots on it. So pastry bag, and cut the tip off, and let's go ahead pipe around the edges. Just like so. Just very abstract. And I'm gonna smear it with my spatula. Okay. And now I'm gonna do smear it from outside to inside. Wipe my spatula, and then I'll go from inside to outside. As you can see, it creates different lines. And we're gonna add a little pink to it. Again, smear it with the same spatula. I don't even bother wipe it. So just random movements up and down, in or out, just as funky as you want. Then add some white to lighten up some stuff, create like a halo, like when they're showing planets in space. It seems to kind of looks kind of like that. Maybe. Okay, and then let's gonna flatten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna pat it down with a paper towel. Again, I'm using crusting buttercream, so this allows me to do that. And then I printed this spaceship image, so let's cut it out. So it looks like that. And let's see, I think it will go somewhere, something like that. That looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down first and I'll airbrush a little bit on top. So I'm gonna use my favorite airbrush, and I'm gonna use again royal blue color inside, and I'm gonna airbrush some spots too. Again, you don't have to be even, just create different variation of different colors. All right, so just tone it down and it brings different color. Makes it look more spacey. There we go. That's looking good. All right, I like that. Okay, now take our picture and let's attach it to the cake. And every time you try to run your fingers along the edges, make sure they sink in the buttercream. That way, if it starts being dissolved when you're icing, it doesn't start to curl. Sometimes edible images, if they don't adhere well enough, they may curl on you. So that's not a good look, so make sure it sticks to the icing really well. Now using just white icing, I'll pipe some dots, create illusion like it's a stars in the sky, in a space. Okay, so we need quite a few because the space is quite starry. Is it a word, starry? Lots of stars in a space. All right, and I'm just gonna use the same color white and I'm gonna write my message first. And with leftover of the gray icing, I'm gonna pipe borders around the edge on top of the cake, and the bottom border will be the same color for the finishing touch. All right, so this is what the finishing cake looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. I do see kind of spacey background. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Don't forget to like the video. Yes, give me thumbs up. Mind the duty. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.